So our solution looks like a algae biofuel cell. So this is creating energy out of algae that is grown in kind of a circular system with actually human urine and some water. So that also is going to be implemented into our hydroponic system, which is going to be growing food sources for these areas out in the desert. So what this might look like is our West Texas team has developed these biodomes. These are to be able to create kind of a structure to enclose a smaller ecosystem within this kind of dome structure. Our algae biofuel production will actually exist in the structure of the dome itself. So all of the windows are going to be connected by these tubes that hold the algae biofuel, and then that will be connected to the hydroponic system through its water as its water source. The top of the buildings, top of the infrastructure, on the dome itself, wherever it can be implemented, which is virtually anywhere. So this is kind of an example of what the prototype might look like. This, as you can see on the left-hand side, it is that algae biofuel creating that system. And then when it has excess water, which is what it creates through this process, that is actually going to be forced onto the hydroponic table systems. So criteria for choosing where this can be implemented, we need lots of solar energy. We need to see where there is rainfall and where there isn't, and so we can implement it in either site. We just need to know how much water we have. Proximity to the river would be helpful, and then also where there's A, population, and B, where there is a need for fresh food, such as where there might be a food desert or an increased obesity area. An example of this is a hydroponic system. This is specifically a 5-layer system that was a kind of a competition in Seoul. And so this is showing that the hydroponic systems can be implemented on both existing infrastructure and new infrastructure all over the place. The second part is in Yuma, Arizona. This one showed how efficient we know hydroponics at this time can be. It had a significantly higher yield. The energy source was challenging because it did need a good degree of energy, but that is also now being supplied through both algae biofuel and solar radiation. And then we also wanted to see the water use. So it is significantly less, and almost all of it can be used from the production of water through our algae biofuel. Thank you.